Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for those Moparian toes to put their feet to the fire, aka Chargigians out here acting a bona fide fool, ready to yabba dabba. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Chargigians down, or will the Chargigians take those Moparian toes and give the devil a quick, swift kick to the back of the head and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get sinister, Chargigian style. Okay, my boy, he moving super duper fast right now. He ain't got his lights on, but he seemed like he on the trail of somebody. Speed limit top right corner. For those who looking for it. This happened February 13th, 2023. He definitely chasing somebody. He got his lights on, so he on to somebody. He smelled blood like a shark in the water. Is this who he chasing? This Charger? I'm not for sure. Hold on, that Charger look like he's trying to take off, but he threw his flashers on. I don't know if he's trying to get to a safe spot to pull over, or he contemplating getting yabba. He contemplating to put them Freddie Flintstone toes to the ground. They definitely moving 150, 124. But he got his flashers on though. Is that a GT? Yeah, that's either a super extreme trash or a GT, good trash. Either way, it's trash. Okay, he pulling over. Okay. He pulling over. Pull over, punk. We just want to talk.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands right now. Be quiet.
Is that a Chad?
Get your hands out the window. Hands out the window. Hands out the window. Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
Oh, he out of here. Yeah, but do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my Chargigian toes, devil. I hope you're ready. He out of there. I thought he was about to give up. He running for his freedom like Kunta Kinte. I wants to be free. Give us freedom. Get in the pit, get your slave butt out there and pick that cotton. Please don't come for me, brothers. I'll struggle too. That's definitely a GT or a super extreme trash. Like I said, either way is trash. Pull over, Musty, before I put you through the wall. Hold on, is this the Bridge of Freedom? Is this the Bridge of Freedom? Hold on, did he make it to the Bridge of Freedom? Oh, he moving.
If you cross that bridge, you wait in 1022.
They told him 1022 that you know you ain't supposed to be doing that. Meet me in the comments. No, 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 no. I did not expect the super extreme trash to do what I just saw. I thought it was over for him. When I saw those 2 exhaust tips out the back with the fake tips, I said, it's over. He ain't getting away. He don't got the power to get away. But I did not know he was close to the bridge of freedom, a slave runner. I didn't know he had it in him, but he definitely did. He made a decision. He was running right there. I think when he threw these flashers on right here, he was throwing the cop off. He's like, if I can just get a little bit closer to where I need to get, I can slow down and I can throw the cop off and then I can just basically stop and basically throw him off and make him think that I'm about to stop, and then I can hurry up and floor it. Even though this car ain't fast, it is quick, because you can, let's be real, the super extreme trash is not fast, but it is quick, and this is where he got him at. He said, okay, I'm going to slow down right here. I'm going to go ahead and stop right here, because I can smell it. I can smell the freedom. It's close. I'm going to throw him off and make him think I'm stopping. As you can see, threw him off right there, made him think he was going to stop. Complied.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands right now. Be quiet. Stick your hands out the window. Hands out the window.
Was that a Chatookie?
Out the window. Turn the car off.
Got him right here. The cop is out the car. See, the cop got to get back in his car and go. Great plan. I gotta give credit when credit was due. And he said, I'm on my way. Yeah, he definitely did what he had to do. He made it happen. Shout out to the Chargigians. They said, we're going to bring the Moparians back with the super extreme trash. So trash. Don't matter what kind of motor you got, so long as you want to make it to your freedom. And you got the smarts. All you got to do is have the smarts. Shout out to LRH in Cash. Big shout out to you. Y'all go support that channel. But hopefully you enjoyed this reaction video, because it was a wonderful one. Not one of us expected that extreme trash to get away, but it did. It showed us that you just got to have the willpower. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a couple of those hype points in the Avengers Cup so we can avenge those who have fallen, the fallen werewolves. Big shout out. I'm going to leave you with some positivity. Don't think you alone out there. You're not the only one that's struggling. You're not the only one that's having a lot of problems. Trust me. Even the great T-Light, the King Werewolf, even I'm going through things. Even my life is not perfect. Not the most famous person in the world's life is perfect. Even the richest person in the world, Elon, his life ain't perfect. We all got stresses. We all got our vices. We all got something going on that we wish we could make it disappear. But that's not how it works. We just got to work through it, fight through it. I don't want none of y'all giving up on yourselves. Get that unaliving out your mind. I don't want to hear none of that. I don't want you thinking like that. I don't want you get that I give up and I quit word. Get those out your thinking. Don't give up and don't you dare quit. Only thing you can do is fight to find a little bit of happiness. And that's the only thing that matters. I love you, Werewolf Pack. Y'all stay safe and y'all stay blessed up. And with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Pull your dirty draws, have it but over and take the ticket. But if you are going off of that dookie juice and your diabolicism is turned all the way to the max, can you please make your way to the bridge of freedom?